Hello, and welcome to Crocheting with the Classics. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on an easy way to make a flower. So, I'm going to start off by making a little tied-off loop. And then we're just going to chain 2. Also, the pattern for this is going to be in the description below if you need it. Alright, so we've got our chain 2. Now, we're going to make 5 single crochets into this starting loop. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are going to be the bases for our petals. And now I'm going to slip stitch into this to close the circle. So that's the second chain that we made that I just slip stitched into. Now from here we're going to make the petals. So to start with, we're going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the first single chain, pull through, and then pull through all 3. Then we're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. And then another half double. So there's our first petal. And we're going to go through each of these single crochets and do the same thing. Half double. And you might notice I'm working over the end of this yarn here because it's just an easy way to hide it and get rid of it without sewing later. So now 3 double crochets. Oops. There we go. 2 and 3 and a half double. Alright, there's our second petal. Now we're going to do third petal. Also, if you find this helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. So that'd be nice. Anyway, on midway through petal 3, and our half double. Now you notice as we're going, we're getting these little spaces here that are showing up. That's going to actually make the flower look kind of detailed, which is nice. Double, 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 and half double. Now, last petal. So you notice we've got 4 here, and 1, and then 3 doubles, and there's our last petal. Now you're going to be tempted to slip stitch into the center. Don't do that. It's going to look weird. What we're going to do instead is go in here. See this little space here? There's a lovely little space right here. We're going to go in and slip stitch there. And that will close off the flower. Then you can tie it off and tighten it. And voila! Lovely little crocheted flower. Now I would leave a long tail for sewing on this because it's just makes things simpler to get on there later. And you can just sew through all those center stitches really fast and attach it to basically anything. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to you. And thank you for being with me today, and have a lovely morning. Goodbye.